Welcome to the wrap-up episode of the Mountain Bike Adventure series. Today I have invited my friend Rob with us to talk about our favorite routes among all these 5 episodes.
Thanks for having me back for your final episode, George. It's lovely to be here and to talk about our adventures together.
Yes. So first of all, we're going to pick our favorite routes. How about you start first?
If I was going to choose a route that everyone could enjoy, it would probably be the Peak. If it was going to be one where you learned something, it would probably be Lantau, because that was the most balanced experience for you in terms of bike, terrain, and just having a better experience.
By the Lantau Trail, you mean the one in Mui Wo?
Sorry, Mui Wo, yeah.
Yeah. That would be my pick too. First of all, for the Mui Wo Trail, it's the perfect place for any beginner who wants to learn mountain bike, to practice your skills, and you can go all kinds of terrains, and it's the paradise for mountain bikers, right?
Yep, and once you've got off those sort of beginner trails, there's plenty of trails on the outside to go and explore too.
For the one going up to the peak, it has amazing views, and also the trail is really easy, even for me. But if you want some technical paths like rock gardens or switchbacks, that might disappoint you.
Yeah, definitely. It's not for the seasoned biker for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have only introduced 5 different trails in this series, but Rob, do you have any other trails in your bucket list?
There's a lot of places you can go, but unfortunately this time of year it's very wet, so it's limited. If you like sort of drier trails where there's no mud and you don't get your bike just covered in mud, then I would say sticking to places like Tai Lam Chung. That would be a good one to go to. We didn't go there because we've covered that in a previous episode with DJ.
So Rob, you have been riding mountain bikes for many years. Can you talk about how do you feel like riding mountain bikes in Hong Kong in general?
I would say riding mountain bikes in Hong Kong is an amazing experience. It's very challenging because it's mostly very high climbs before you get to the downhills. But one of the amazing things about Hong Kong is you've got so many trails within a dense area. If you go to live in somewhere like America or Canada, you have to travel on fire roads for maybe 2 hours before you get to the trail. Whereas in Hong Kong, it's like a short van ride, or even, in my case, on Llama, it's just I go out my back door and the trails are there.
Yeah, like the trail is right in the middle of the city.
Yeah, it's a paradise. Yeah.
So that's the end of this episode. We have more coming out next. Our next series will be a diving series. So don't forget to like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check out journeyandfern.com so you won't miss out our next adventure. For now, my name is George.
I'm Rob.
And this is Journ and Fern.